What GCSE results did you get? This is actually mad, yeah, because my mom the other day sent me a picture of all my GCSE results and like all of the stuff that my teachers had to say about me and my exams and stuff. So in science, I was predicted an E, but my target was a C. Yeah, I actually got an E in my GCSEs for science, by the way. My teacher in science said to me, Jamie started the term well-intentioned, but his focus seemed to have shifted away from his work of late. He does manage to produce well-detailed answers in his own work tasks, but I was rather disappointed with his test mark. He has struggled with some aspects of the work and rather than ask my help, he has resorted to waste his lesson time on idle gossip. He needs to aim for consistency in all lessons, and with a bit more effort into his work, he should be able to achieve his grade in this subject.